How to fix green screen on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps you in fixing majority of minor glitches or display glitches on your iPhone. Next, go ahead and open settings on your device and tap on general and then on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as Apple occasionally releases updates that fix display related bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to settings and then tap on the display and brightness option you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for a true tone. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for true tone, and then go ahead and tap on the night shift option and make sure night shift is disabled too, and check if the green tint disappears. If not, then in settings again, tap on accessibility and then tap on the display and text size option you see there. Further, tap on the color filters option you see there and make sure that the color filters are toggled off, and if not, then toggle it off. Next, you can simply try to increase your brightness. So swipe down from the top right of your screen and then you will see the option for brightness. Go ahead and increase the brightness and check whether the issue improves. If not, then you can simply try to force restart your iPhone. So in order to force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. See if force restarting your iPhone helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings and then enter your passcode and reset all settings, and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then you might need to check for physical damage on your iPhone. So if you recently dropped your iPhone, or if your iPhone has any kind of water damage or pressure damage to the display, or if you have recently changed your screen display, then this issue might occur. So you might need to take your iPhone to an authorized Apple service center and ask them to fix your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix green screen on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.